audience, okay, who join us online and also the live, okay, in YouTube, right? I'm Cikgu Lee, okay, Lee. I'm teaching biology. Yes. All right. Okay. So without wasting any time, okay. All right. So let's have a look on our topic today, right? Okay. So if you have a look here, okay, this is our topic today, all right? Which you can see here it is saying that explore invisible life for Form 5 biology. Okay. So what is exploring this invisible life? Okay, but before that, okay, let's have a look on there's a video that I'm going to show to all of you. Okay, now let's have a look on the video. Okay, please play the video. Okay, all right. So from this video, okay, my question is, what can you see from this video? What are those invisible lines, okay, that you can see from the video? Okay, so for those students who are joining us online, okay, all right. If you wish to watch this video again, okay, I will replay the video again. Right, Asli? Okay, all right. So with this, okay, I wish you to join the Mentimeter. Okay, all right. The link will be shared in the chat box. Okay, you can follow the link. Okay, all right. Now let's have a look on my parts. Okay, yes, that one. All right. So what are the microorganisms you can see from the video? Alright, or in the BM, okay, apakah mikroorganisme yang boleh anda lihat daripada video? Okay, those are with me, okay, put your answer through the Mentimeter, okay, and we'll see the response here, okay. Nadia, might you stay here? Okay. Alright, okay. Yes, my assistant are going to share the link, okay. Okay, the link will be shared in the chat box. Okay, you can click the link and share the answer with us. Right? Those who are online with us, is it good? Please give some response.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you. Right? Okay, so you are free to give the response. Okay, so what can you see from the video just now? Okay, so we are still waiting for the response. Okay, those are with us, okay, here in the classroom. Okay, you also can put in your response. Okay. Okay, we're still waiting for the response. Okay. Oh, okay. All right. Finally, we get response. Okay, so from this Mentimeter, we can see there's a response saying there's, oh, okay, the bigger words, okay, the biggest word that we can see in front, we have protozoa. Okay, very good. And then we have bacteria, amoeba, algae. Yes, amoeba we got two. Okay, two response. And microorganism, yes, we also have two response. Okay, very good. Okay, but however, okay, we have more to explore about the so-called invisible life. Okay, all right. So thank you for the response. Okay, so the next part, okay, we will move to Okay, now let's have a look on the next part. Yes, okay. We have the mystery box of today's task, okay. So those students who are with me here now, okay, you already receiving the ice cream stick, right? Yes. Ice cream stick, yes. I know, okay, some of you are still holding it. All right, next. Okay, so those who receive the ice cream stick, okay, you are going to do the task according to the color of your ice cream stick, okay, and here, okay, so from this task, okay, you are divided into 5 groups. Each group will have 4 persons, okay, and then the task, yes, according to the color of the ice cream stick. Okay, show your stick. So you should show your stick. Okay, all right, okay. However, those who are following us online, okay, I know you are not able to see the ice cream stick, okay, but you still can join us later. All right, so in every group, there will be a role play for each member, okay? So those who are receiving the ice cream stick with the number 1, you become the researcher, okay? And then number 2, you become the IT engineer. Number 3, you become a secretary. And number 4, yes, okay, the most important person in the group, yes, the presenter, okay? So for all of you here, okay, with all the tasks, okay, now let's have a look on the next task. Okay. All right, so this topic, okay, is about microorganisms and viruses, okay. Those who are receiving the task just now, okay, you're going to put in the response, okay, in the Padlet. Okay, let's show the Padlet. Okay, so from the group that I already assigned the group, the topics, okay, you'll be given 10 minutes, okay, 10 minutes to 12 minutes, okay, to contribute your presentation, okay, in this Padlet, right? Okay, all right. So as you can, I have the countdown for 10 minutes, okay, all right. So those who are following us, okay, don't go anywhere. Okay, those who are following us online, okay, you stay tuned with us, okay, because okay. All right. Okay. So groups. Okay. We already have the task. Okay. After 12 minutes done. Okay. You will give it time. Okay. 2 to 3 minutes for every each group. Okay. For you to present in front. Okay. So those who are following us online. Okay. Stay tuned for all the presentation that you can see here. Okay. Through the Google Meet. Right? And you are free to ask questions. Okay. Later on, we will share the link for this Padlet. Okay, in the chat room. Okay, in the chat box. Okay, you can stay with us. Yes. For students who are following us online, okay, don't hesitate to post your questions, okay, regarding to this topic. All right. Okay. If you have any question, you are free to post the questions, okay, in the Padlet. Right. Link untuk Padlet ni ada share dalam okay, we're still waiting for the words, okay, from every age group. Okay. Untuk yang baru join kita secara online, okay, we having this lesson for biology lesson, okay, yang baru ikut kita, okay, untuk lesson hari ini, okay. Jadi sekarang kita masih lagi tunggu respon daripada kumpulan yang mendapat assignment, okay, untuk mereka naikkan, okay, hasil kerja mereka dalam Padlet, okay, sama-sama kita tunggu, ya. Okay, masih lagi masa berjalan, ada lebih kurang 6 minit. Okay, the time is running. Okay, still we have around 4 minutes. Okay, all right. So from the slide, from the Padlet, okay, my assistant just share the link again in the chat box. Okay, boleh klik untuk lihat kepada untuk explore. Okay, Padlet tersebut. Nampak gayanya kita ada respond. Okay, we only have a response from red group. Wow. Okay, now let's have a look. Okay, yes. Okay, a very cute picture here. Okay, showing that from the red group. Okay, now try to see whether we have. Oh, we have the purple group. Yes, from the fungi. Okay, and we have algae. So now we're still waiting for another 2 groups. Okay, to have their. Okay, yes. Okay, we have green group. Wow. Okay, you can see the okay, the thorny tooth is going out. Okay, so it seems like very interesting. Okay, all right. Okay, after the 12 minutes done, okay, we will give chances for every each of the group, okay, to come in front here and present their findings. Okay, all right. Oh, we finally, yes. Okay. Oh, it seems like we're almost complete. Okay, we're almost complete. Okay, from every each group, okay, with different color. Okay, that given to them. Okay, even the algae. Okay. Those are following us online. Okay, do you have any problem exploring the Padlet? Do you have any problem exploring the Padlet? Okay, no problem. Okay, very good. Okay, thank you for all the response. Okay, all right. Okay, so it seems like we are getting earlier. Okay, in completing our task. Okay, so can we come to the next part? Presentation. Yes. Okay. All right. So I close the timer. Okay, so I think those are following us online, okay, you are so eagerly want to find out, okay, what is so cute behind all this presentation. Okay, if in that case, okay, can I scroll this one up? Azri boleh letak start sikit. Okay, alright, untuk Padlet, okay, for this Padlet, okay, those are joining us online, okay, you boleh masuk Padlet ni untuk bagi komen, okay, so your comment are going to, okay, muncul dekat bawah ni, ni sudah ada komen dah, okay, so those are following us online, okay, jangan malu-malu, okay, bagi je komen anda, okay, di dalam Padlet ni, okay. We are sharing and we will try to help and solve the problems, okay? Melalui soalan-soalan yang diberikan online. Okay, so it seems that we already have questions. Okay, can we welcome the first red group?
Okay, so good morning. I greet to everyone, to my friends online and to the friends in this class. So today, my group, which is the red isostatic group, will present about bacteria. So this is some of the characteristics of bacteria. So firstly, bacteria do not have any nucleus because they have a lack of nuclear membrane. So what happens with the genetic materials? The genetic materials exist in the form of DNA, which is chromosomal threads free floating in the cytoplasm, and this is known as nuclei. For the second one, some bacteria have plasmid, which is small DNA molecules carrying extra genes. And the third one, bacteria, the range of length of bacteria is 1 to 10 micrometer long. For the fourth one, bacteria exist as single cell, in diploids, filaments, chains, or clusters. And lastly, we have variety shape of bacteria, such as coccus. So coccus is actually a sphere, and then we have vibrio, which is in the form of comma, bacillus, which is in rough or cylindrical shape, and spirillum, which is in the form of spiral. So everyone is clear about bacteria?
Yes.
Okay, now we'll proceed with the next slide. So here is the bacteria structure. This is an example of a bacterial cell. So we have the flagellum here, we have the capsule, cell wall, plasma membrane, and then we have the nucleus, which is the chromosomal thread, the DNA, and then the ribosome, and also this plasmid. So I'll move on to the next slide.
Bacteria reproduce very simply and rapidly by doubling their contents and splitting in two. Just one bacterium, dividing every 20 minutes, could produce nearly 5,000 billion bacteria in one day.
So did you guys see the video just now? Yes. So in this video, bacteria reproduces rapidly by doubling the contents and splitting into several bacteria. So from this one bacterium, nearly 5,000 billion bacteria can be produced in one day. So everyone is clear about that? Yes. So that's all we have to share.
Okay, thank you, Haris. Okay, Haris is going to answer the questions. Okay, then you people pause in the Padlet. Okay, Haris, please. Okay, okay. Thank you for the students who follow us online. Okay, for all the support. I can see all the thumbs up. Okay, and then some of you give the wow smile. Okay, wow. Okay, yes, about the fact about bacteria. Okay, very good. Thank you for all the response. Okay, yes, Haris. Haris are going to solve the questions. Okay, that you try to find out. Okay, from this presentation. All right, Haris, please.
Okay. Thank you for the responses, by the way.
Okay. Seems like you have a lot of friends.
Yeah. So for the first question from Azim. So can bacteria be found everywhere? Well, the answer is yes, actually. Even in your table or everywhere around you, and even in your intestine, even in your body, they have bacteria. So the answer is yes, bacteria can be found everywhere. It's just that we cannot see with our naked eyes. We need microscope to see the bacteria. For the next one, did bacteria harmful? Well, the answer is yes, but not all. So some of the bacteria is actually helpful, such as the lactobacillus species, which is used in the production of yogurt. So do you guys have eaten yogurt before? Yes. So it is actually fermented milk, which they will add this bacteria, a certain kind of bacteria. And then we have another question here. So the question asks, how do bacteria reproduce? So from the video just now, bacteria actually reproduce from binary fission, which is a type of asexual reproduction. Just like how you learned in Form 1, Chapter 4, reproduction. So bacteria actually produces through asexual, which is through binary fission. Okay, so everyone is clear? Yes.
Okay, Haris. Okay, thank you, Haris. Okay, but you stay there. All right. Okay, so those who are following us online, okay, you have any questions? Okay, you also can put inside the chat box. Okay, actually you can click on the chat box. Okay. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. Oh, from Haris yourself. Okay. So thank you for all the response. Okay. Very good. Okay. All right. Okay. So for those who are joining us, okay, on the Padlet, okay, if Haris did not manage to answer all the questions, okay, due to the time, okay, I think the group member will try to solve the questions. Okay. All right. Thank you, Haris. Okay, for all the presentation. Okay, next. Okay, we move to the next group. Yes, we have the green creature here. Okay, so the so-called green group. Okay, can we welcome the green group?
Okay. Before I start, I would like to bid good morning to the teachers here and my friends and also the one who are watching us. online. So today I'm going to talk about protozoa. So characteristics of protozoa are animal-like unicellular microorganism. Next, it moves around using pseudopodia, cilia, or flagellum. For example, Paramecium move by using cilia, while Euglena move by using flagellum. And then protozoa are usually found in aquatic habitats. Protozoa are either heterotroph or autotroph. Heterotroph means that organism that cannot synthesize its own food but obtain food molecules by eating other organisms, just like us humans. And while autotroph means that organism that obtain food molecules by organic materials by using light energy and chemical energy. Some fun facts about protozoa are that protozoa have been around for at least 2 billion years, making them one of the oldest life forms on Earth. Other than that, some protozoa like Toxoplasma gondii can manipulate the behavior of their hosts, including rats. Infected rats lose their natural fear of cats, making them an easy prey and more likely to be eaten by a cat, which is the protozoa's preferred host. This way, the protozoa gets to complete its life cycle, and scientists even suggest that it might influence human behavior in subtle ways. So that's all from us, the green room. If you guys have any questions, you guys can type it in the pattern.
Right. Thank you, Azhan. Right. Okay, so let's go back to our Padlet. Okay, Azhan, you can scroll. Okay, to have questions. Okay, let's have a look on the questions. Oh, okay, you have questions as well.
First question is, what is the main difference between protozoa and bacteria? As you can see, my teammates already answered the question. Protozoa is eukaryotic, while bacteria is prokaryotic.
Okay.
What diseases caused by protozoa? Protozoa. Example of disease caused by protozoa are malaria, which are caused by Plasmodium species. Usually, Plasmodium species are found in our human red blood cells. What organelle in protozoa helps regulate water balance? The organelle is contractile vacuole, where it will absorb the water and release the water by osmosis.
Okay, all right. Do you think you still want to answer the questions? Okay, all right. Okay, it's okay, Azhan. Okay, all right. Thank you for all the response. Okay, I can see you're so eagerly to ask questions. Okay, and the response is good, right? Okay, very nice. Okay, those who are following us online, okay, please don't hesitate to join us in the Padlet. Okay, you can see your response going to be posted here. Okay, instead we use using the chat box. Okay, all right. Thank you, Azhan, for all the sharing. All right, thank you. Okay, so for all the questions that you posted in the Padlet, okay, we'll try to help you to solve it, okay, in the session, in another session, or after this session end, okay? No need to worry. All right, the next topic, yes, is about the, wow, bluey. Okay, we have the bluey. Okay, all right, okay. Oh, the fungi is reappearing. Okay, never mind. Okay, so we have the blue group, okay, the bluey, all right, okay, very cute icon, okay, if you can see that. Can we welcome the blue group?
Okay, so good afternoon. I bid to everyone, including to my friends online and my friends in class. Okay, so today I'm representing the blue group. We're going to present about virus. So here is one fun fact that we found about virus. So actually, we can create virus in a lab. Viruses can be assembled in a lab from basic components by mixing purified proteins and nucleic genomes in water. Under specific conditions, they can spontaneously form infectious virus particles. So basically, don't be funny and just create virus in the lab because it can create a viral outbreak. Okay, so next slide. Okay, so here are 4 characteristics of virus. So first thing first, virus is made up of nucleic acid, either DNA or RNA, and capsids made from protein. And the next one, virus is not included in any kingdoms because they are not cellular organisms. The third one, virus size is too small, normally ranging from 20 nanometer to 400 nanometer, and can only be seen through electron microscope. And last but not least, virus does not carry out life processes outside of a cell. So virus reproduce by injecting genetic materials into hosts. Okay, so basically, I will explain to you guys about capsids. So capsids is this membrane made from protein that will protect the genetic material of the virus. Okay, next. Okay, here are some examples of viruses. So first we have flu, which is influenza, and next we have HIV. The third one is Typhobacteriophage, and lastly COVID-19. Okay, so here is how virus injecting their genetic material into the host. Okay, so I think that's all from our group. Thank you.
Okay, Bobby, you can close down. Okay, okay. So we return back to the Padlet. Okay, we return back to the Padlet. Okay, all right. Okay, try to scroll down. Okay, to look for the questions. Okay, all right. Okay. You can pick 3 questions, okay, from, oh, you have a lot of questions there. Okay, you can pick 3 questions, okay. Those following us online, okay, yes, please, you are welcome, okay, to join us in the Padlet, all right?
Okay, so the first question that I will answer is all virus harmful? Yes or no? So what I can say here, I believe that not all viruses are harmful because there are one virus that my group found that it will not affect the host, but it just affect the bacteria. The name of the virus is Typhobacteriophage, which is we have already mentioned in the slide before. Okay, so the next question, can virus undergo respiration? No, because we already mentioned that virus does not carry out life processes outside of the cell. So respiration is one of the examples for life process. Okay, so okay, so last question. How does vaccine protect against virus? So, as we all know, that inside of a virus, we have genetic material, which is DNA or RNA. So, we can modify this. We can take out the genetic material to create vaccine, which is so vaccine. It contains the weakened or modified parts from the virus, so it can help protect against virus. That's how vaccine protect against virus. Okay, so I think that's all from us. The other questions, my teammates will help you guys answer it. So thank you.
Okay, thank you, Marvin. Thank you. Okay, so those are still with us. Okay, in the Padlet. Okay. All right. Okay. Yes, we have a lot of response. Thank you for all the response. Those online. Okay, you are welcome and thank you again. All right. We proceed to the next group. We have the purple group. Yes. Okay. Oh, I can see a lot of purple mushroom. Okay, purple group. Welcome, purple group.
All right. Good morning to everyone and everyone that is joining this class, either offline or online. So today, my group will present our findings on the characteristic of fungi. So the characteristic of a fungi is an eukaryote. So what eukaryote means is has a nucleus and cell membrane organelles, and this fungi usually is a unicellular or multicellular organism. For unicellular, for example, is yeast, and multicellular is mushroom. So fungi is also a heterotroph, which means they cannot synthesize their own foods and they gain nutrient from eating others animal organism, and they are made out of chitin. Chitin is similar to cellulose, but what makes it different is that they are made out of N-acetylglucosamine, and their body is made out of thread-like network of hyphae, which is called mycelium. Any question? Fun fact: some ants can be turned into zombie, and the fungus which is responsible for this is Ophiocordyceps unilaterales, which is found in Amazon rainforest. These parasites will infect the carpenter ant and will take over its brain, so that they can control the ants and ensure the fungus survivability. That's all our finding.
Okay, thank you. Okay, we return to the Padlet. Okay, for more questions. Okay, Shami, actually, I'm so fascinated with the zombie ant. Okay, if the fungi can control ant, okay, so please think about, can we control human? Okay, Shami, you can scroll down. Okay, for questions from friends. Okay.
Okay, from Azim Chowmel. Yes, this is the fungus. As I said from before, this is a fungus. Okay. Okay, from Depper Armadillo. What is the role of decomposer fungi in ecosystem? So what they do is they decompose dead animal or carcasses, and by breaking down this complex molecule, they can release nitrogen, which is fundamental for the trees. With the nitrogen, the tree can grow. I hope that I can answer your question. So, from Jim Chaume, can fungi kill humans? Well, it depends. Usually, they do not kill humans, but if there's an outbreak in our body system, it can cause severe problems to our health. So, I think that's all.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you for our cool Shabi. Okay, he always with the style, cool style. Okay, all right. So yes, okay, with all the questions, okay, and also response from the friends in group. Okay, thank you for all the response. Very nice. I love it very much. Okay, all right. Okay, last but not least, we have the algae. Can we? Hey. Okay, it seems like we have somebody is raising the hand. Okay, we have Lanester. Okay, online. Yes, Lanester. Do you have any questions? Lanester, yes. Okay, Lanester. Okay, without wasting any time. Okay, if you have questions, okay, can you type in the chat box? Okay. Kita akan layan soalan anda kemudian ya. Okay, we give way to our friends to complete the sharing. Okay, alright, yes.
Good morning to all. I give to everyone, including my friends online. So today, I will talk about everything we need to know about algae. So first, let's explore about characteristics of algae. First, algae is divided into two, which is unicellular microorganisms or multicellular organisms. One example of unicellular microorganism of algae is Chlamydomonas species, and one example of multicellular of organisms is Ficus species. Or we can also have kelp. Kelp is also an algae, which is huge brown-like algae. Next, some algae have flagellum, as you can see here in the picture here, the Chlamydomonas species. You can look, there's a thread-like structure. Now, this thread-like structure is actually a flagellum, which helps this particular algae to move around. Next, algae have chloroplasts, and they are actually autotrophs, which means they synthesize their own food through photosynthesis. Now, algae, they does not have leaves, stems, or roots like plants. However, they are similar to plants, which they undergoes photosynthesis. However, algae are not plants. Next, algae live in ponds, lakes, and ocean, which means algae it depends on moist environment. However, there are particular types of algae that can survive in extreme weather, which means some algae can actually live in desert or in the snow. Here we can look at the picture here. Ice-loving algae exists. Now, if we can look here, this is actually an algae, snow algae, known as the Chlamydomonas nivalis, which is one of the species of the Chlamydomonas, one of the friends. Now, if you look here, snow algae turns white snow into red or pink snow, and even gives off a faint watermelon-like scent, which means it gives off watermelon smell. They produce pigment called astaxanthin to protect itself from the UV radiations. As you can see here, there's a red-like algae. Next, we have algae that can glow in the dark. Now, this particular algae is known as the dinoflagellates. Dinoflagellates there are many types of dinoflagellates. This type of dinoflagellate actually exhibit bioluminescence, which is the blue light. They light up the ocean when disturbed, like glowing waves at night, which meant they respond towards stimulus. Like us humans, we also respond towards stimulus. For this type of dinoflagellates, they respond toward touch from the fish, from the wave, and even from humans. There are actually other types of dinoflagellates, which there is in Sabah. That's called red side. Now, this type of dinoflagellates is actually quite harmful towards human. Next. That is all from me. Thank you.
Thank you, Juliet. Okay, actually, I'm so into the so-called snow algae. Yes, okay, so amazing. Give up the watermelon smell. Okay, so actually, I'm thinking about, okay, if we can turn the snow algae, okay, which give up the watermelon smell, and actually, I also fascinated with the characteristic of they're able to withstand with the high UV ray, right? And yes, okay. Actually, we can turn them into sunscreen. Am I right? Yeah, that's a good idea. See, from nature also some of the things again, the one. Okay. Yes, again, in the view of like medications, okay, this can become a new final. Okay, a new finding. Okay. All right. Thank you, Juliet. Okay. Now let's go back to the Padlet. Okay. Please scroll down. Okay, for questions from your friends. Okay. Questions.
From Depel Armadillo, how do algae reproduce? Similar to bacteria, algae actually reproduce by binary fusion, which they split into identical structure. Yeah, they split. They actually reproduce under suitable environment, which means they need optimum temperature, they need suitable pH value environment, and they need enough water. Next. Can algae be important for the environment? Yes, actually. Algae, they can be important for the environment, as algae is actually one of the food resources for one type for many other living microorganisms. Are algae plants? Algae is not plants, even though they undergoes photosynthesis like plants, but they don't have roots, they don't have stems, they don't have shoots like plants, so they are not plants. I guess that is all for me.
Okay, thank you. Okay, those are following us online. Okay, wow, thank you for all the support. Okay, I can see with all the hand claps. Okay, all right. Okay, so without wasting any more time, okay, can we proceed with the next? Okay, the next part. Okay, all right. Okay, so from the next part, we are still using the Padlet. Okay, those are following us online, we're still using the Padlet. Okay, and the question is, what are the similarities and differences between this so-called mystery creature in our topic of invisible life? Okay, so please share, okay, your thoughts, okay, your idea, okay, in this Padlet. Okay, you are welcome to do it now. Right? Oh, okay. Wow, very fast. Again, we have the first sharing. Most of them cannot be seen with naked eye. Agree with me? Yes. Yes. Okay. All right. Yes. Okay. Because they are too fine. Okay. From all the characteristics that I explained before this, okay, most of them they exist in nanometer. All right, this means they are extremely small. Without, if we are using naked eye, of course we cannot see them. Okay, so actually, if you cannot see them with naked eye, okay, what kinds of device that we should use? Yes, microscope. Okay, very good. Okay, all right, we have the next response. Okay, what is the next response? Only virus cannot grow, respirate, and metabolism. Okay, metabolize. Okay, yes. Okay, correct. Okay, and all can reproduce. Agree? No. Okay, if no, please. Okay, add in your comment here. Okay. All right. Okay, I'm not going to write the comment. I will let you people to explore and write up a comment. Oh yes, we have response from Azim Chaume. Okay, wrong. Okay, also Lima Maju also say no. Okay, I think yes. Just now from the sharing of your friend, he or she, just now. Okay, yes. Okay, he mentioned about that. All right. Okay. All right. Yes. Okay, and we have more to come. Okay, most of them can cause diseases. Yes, I agree. Okay, most of them. Okay, but with this, that means it balance out what we have in this nature. Am I right? Okay, and most of them need moist or wet environments, okay, to survive or grow. Okay, so from this statement, it indicates that the importance of water, right? Yes. Okay, and we did learn this in the lesson before. Okay, so from here we learn more. Okay, this mysterious creature is microorganism, but they are divided into. Okay, sorry. Okay, because the message is keep coming in. Okay, they are divided into different kingdom according to the characteristic. Yes. Okay, no doubt. Okay, this is no doubt. Okay, because if we try to count them in all the kingdom, okay, it will be hard for us to differentiate. Okay, each type, okay, according to the species. All right. Yes. Okay. And fungi and algae exist as unicellular organism or multicellular organism. Yes. Okay. Thank you with all the response. Okay. Don't follow up on that. Good. Okay. All right. Thank you. Wow. Okay. Very good. Okay. Azri, can you go back to the Canva? Okay. All right. Okay. Now. So, from all the presentation, okay, from all the presentation, yes, next. Okay, so from all the presentation, from all the findings, from all the Q&A session, did we able to come to this? Yeah, that means today, yes, okay, you come to the success criteria, okay? So one of it, identify at least 4 main characteristics. You do that? Yes, okay? Yes, according to all this. Okay, next. Yes, the next part. The parts that you people are waiting for. Okay, we have the evaluation session. Okay, whereby we're going to do some answering questions through Quizy. Okay, Quizy is the old name. Okay, now it is known as Wayground. Okay, so with this, the link, okay, for participant, okay, will be shared in the chat box. Okay, all right. Okay, all right. Please click. Okay. Yes, we have the link. Okay, in the chat box already. Okay, so you can open up the Way group. Okay, and please key in the game code. You have the game code here. Okay, please key in. Okay, the number. Wow. Okay. Wow, we have all coming in already. Yes. Okay. Okay. Still. Okay, we still giving times. Okay, in around 3 minutes. Okay, for those who want to join us. Okay, for the quizzing. Ada code. The code yes. Okay. Ada yang tak dapat kod tu, okay, boleh ikut kod kita. Okay, yang ikut kita online, okay, you boleh key in kod 538052. Okay, now let's have a look how many participants. Okay, we have 9, we have 10. Oh, we have more to come. Okay, very good. Wow. Okay, we have 4. Okay, we have 15. Okay. All right. Okay. If this number did not increase, then we will start. Okay, keep increasing. Okay. Okay, we give another 1 minute. Okay. If the number of the participant did not increase, okay, so then we will start. Okay, that's when everyone is ready. All right, is ready for our games. All right. Okay. Okay. Oh wow. Okay. Okay, we have 17. Okay. Okay, my assistant is keep swelling the cursor, waiting for the time. All right. Okay. So those who following us. Okay. Are you ready for the game? Yeah. Okay. Then we start. Congratulations. Okay, and from the questions, again, you find out that. Oh, this one is individual. Okay, all right. Okay, congratulations also to Lima Maju. Okay, wow. Okay, so from the class accuracy is quite high. Okay, for the performance. Okay, this is very good. Okay, so give yourself a clap. Okay. Wow. Okay, all right. Yes, we have. Okay. All right. Okay, for the analytical part, okay, never mind. Okay, Azri, okay, this part will be my part. Okay, I'm going to elaborate. Yes, okay, so that in the future I can make it better. Okay, next, okay, we come back to our Canva. Okay, so we're done with the evaluation session. Okay, so we have another part to go. Oh yes, okay. This is some sharing, okay, about how, because some of the students did refer to me and tell me that, teacher, very hard for us to remember all the viruses, okay, all the different kinds of microorganisms, okay. Actually, there's a way, okay, to make it easy and fun, okay, to learn. Okay, so bacteria, we have the first letter B, protozoa P, algae A, virus V, fungi F. Okay, so as an acronym for us to memorize it easily, okay, easily we can have biology, physics are very fascinating. Agree with me? Yes. Yes. Okay. Sorry. Okay. Those are chemists. Okay. I did not put you people in. All right. Okay. So we only can have biology and physics. Okay. So remember that. Okay. If you find it very hard for you to memorize, okay, yes, just say it out. Biology, physics are very fascinating. Then you definitely are going to remember, okay, all the 5 different groups, okay, of microorganisms. Okay, next. Oh yes, okay, last but not least, yes, the exit ticket. Okay. So yes, we're still using Padlet. Okay. I think you can share the, yes, click and then you share the links, okay, for them to join. Okay, so the exit ticket part, okay, on scale 1 to 5, okay, how confident do you feel about today's topic and why? Yes, this is the time you express yourself, okay, and yes, the response will be a very good response to me, okay, so that in the future, okay, I can try to repair, okay, what is not good, okay, in all the certain parts, okay, so that we can grow together. Okay, yes, we have response, okay, yes, the typing is going on. Those following us online, okay, you're welcome, okay, to join our Padlet for the response exit ticket as well. Okay, we have adorable Shan. Wow, thank you, very fun lesson today. Okay, I think I should put love. Okay, done. Okay, give the adorable shot love. Okay, and then Ajim Chaume. Yes, 5 out of 5. Yes, the presentation are very detailed and clear. Yes, I agree as well. Okay, another love. Okay. Oh, okay. We have the pictures. Okay. Those want to see it clearly, your friends online. Okay. Thank you for the response. Okay. Wow. Exceeding 5. 1010. Okay. Yes. Another love for them. Okay. 5 to 5. Yes. Thank you. Okay. Very interactive and fun. Thank you. Adik Chomel. And then we have Pupu. Wow. Today was fun. Okay. 5 out of 5. Okay. Thank you. Another love. Okay. No Farahida. Okay. Fun. Okay. Thank you. Yes. Okay. I hope you people enjoy the lesson as well. Okay. We have the group as well. Yes. Okay. From Aziz Chaume. Oh. Here they are. Okay. So you can see the faces. Okay. Of Aziz Chaume. All right. Okay. These are the group members. Okay. All right. I will rate my confidence as 4 out of 5 because I understood most of today's biology topic. Thank you so much. Okay. All right. I'm also very happy. Okay, that you people are able to follow the lesson today. All right. And yes, of course, need the love. Okay. Amazing. Okay. Oh, absolute cinema. All right. Okay. I agree. Okay. And then, wow, we have a lot of fun. Okay, thank you for all the Big Mac. Oh, ni bukan Big Mac ni. Okay, all right, and more to come. Okay, excited dia. I'm from 2. Wow, from 2 is joining us. Okay, not bad. Okay, yes. Okay. Yes, we have Pupu from our class. Okay, thank you. Ni macam mana nak start ni? Okay. Never mind. Okay. Azri, help me. Oh, okay. Say thank you. Thank you. Yes. Wow. Thank you. All right. Okay. Very good response. Okay. Okay. So we come to the end. Okay, of our lesson. Okay. Thank you for joining us. Okay, for today's lesson. Okay, as we come back to the Canva. Okay. Okay, so a big thank to our penolong pengarah unit Science and Maths, okay, Encik Normat, okay, and also our PPD, okay, who also come, okay, thank you. Alright, okay, before sebelum kita tamatkan sesi pembelajaran hari ini, okay, link SPL KPM akan diletak dalam chat box, okay, yang ikut kita, okay, boleh isi, yes, okay, isi SPL KPM. Thank you for joining us. Thank you.